Welcome back to Mural Advisor, your go-to space for all things monitoring, evaluation, accountability, research, and learning. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Segment 1. The Challenge of M&E Data. Let's face it, monitoring and evaluation data can be dense, complex, and, let's be honest, pretty hard to digest. Traditional M&E reports often come loaded with spreadsheets, lengthy narratives, and technical language. Important insights can get buried, making it difficult for program managers, partners, or even funders to understand the real impact. And what happens when people can't easily understand the data? Opportunities for learning, improvement, and advocacy can slip right through our fingers. Segment 2. The Transformative Power of Data. Visualization. But here's the good news. Data visualization changes everything. Charts, graphs, maps, dashboards, these tools turn raw numbers into meaningful visuals. With just a glance, stakeholders can understand trends, see patterns, and identify key insights. This isn't just about making data look pretty. It's about empowering decision makers to act faster, improve programs, and amplify impact, because they truly understand what the data is telling them. Segment 3. Examples of powerful visualizations. Let's take a look at some real examples of effective M&E visualizations. Impact maps. This helps show the interconnectedness of project activities and how they're driving outcomes. Progress dashboards. Great for tracking KPIs over time. They give you a snapshot of what's working and what's not. Interactive story maps. Combine maps, data, and storytelling to show the human side of your project impact. Super powerful for advocacy and donor engagement. Segment 4. Tools and resources you can use. You might be wondering, how do I start creating visuals like these? Here are some great tools to explore, free and open source tools. Google Data Studio Tableau, Public Power BI Desktop Paid Tools, Tableau Power BI Click, Sense Online Platforms, Data Wrapper, Flourish Infogram. Most of these tools are beginner-friendly, and there's tons of online support to help you learn. Segment 5. Tips for creating effective visuals. Before you dive in, here are a few key tips to keep your visuals impactful. Choose the right visualization. Bar charts, pie charts, line graphs. Each has its own use. Match your data to the right type of visual. Tell a story. Don't just show numbers. Highlight trends. Tell what's changing and why it matters. Keep it simple. Less is more. Avoid clutter. Focus on clarity, accessibility, and your core message. Final thoughts. Data visualization isn't just a nice-to-have in M&E, it's becoming a must-have. It bridges the gap between data collection and decision-making. It helps you communicate better, learn faster, and create more meaningful impact. So, are you ready to transform your M&E data into powerful visuals? Let me know in the comments what tools you're using or what challenges you've faced with data visualization. Thanks for watching Mural Advisor. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your network, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights every week. Until next time, stay curious, stay impactful.